Hello friends, today we will see how to create virtual environment in Python. Before that, first we will understand why we need virtual environment. So if you are working in your organization, you are working on multiple projects, but you have only one computer, and one computer you have one global environment that is provided by the OS, and in that environment you can store, you can save, or you can install only one package version at a time. So but if you are working on multiple projects are having different dependencies, and in global environment you can install only one version of the package. Different dependencies means each project is having different versions of packages. So how to create this virtual environment? For creating this virtual environment, I am going to use tool that is VS Code. Then I have opened this VS Code. Now to create virtual environment, first we will open the terminal. New terminal we will create. Okay, now terminal is created. Now to create virtual environment in Python, we have to give command python -m we have to give. So remember that whenever you want to use any Python module on command line, you have to use this flag that is -m, and Python comes with default module that is pen to create virtual environment, and then you have to give your virtual environment name. You can give any name, but make sure it should be meaningful, and press enter. It will create this virtual environment folder, and if we check this folder structure, we have this include library and scripts. So in this library, whatever modules you are going to install, those will get stored in this library, and script is there. In this scripts you can give to activate this. Means if you check this scripts folder, then there is activate command is there. Using that you can activate this virtual environment. Now my virtual environment is created, that is demo n. Now next is I want to activate this virtual environment. So how to activate that? To activate, first you have to go in this folder that is demo n. Now you have to give command scripts activate. It will enter, then it has activated the virtual environment. Now if you are seeing this name here, means your virtual environment is activated. Now I will once you are done with activation, you have to come out of this folder using this command. Then you can now you can work in this virtual environment. Now I will install here, install Django. I will give only Django. So if you are not specifying any version while installing, so by default it will install the latest version of Django, that is 4.1. It will install. By that time I will create one new file here. I will create, that is nDemo.py. I have created. Now you can see that this Django 4.1 is installed. Now we will check that can we import it properly. Import Django. Then I will try to print its version. I will save this file and run on the command line. You have to use this command python nDemo. Now it is showing me 4.1. In this way you can create virtual environment and install the packages. Now this is one virtual environment. Now how to deactivate this virtual environment? To deactivate it, you have to use this deactivate command. Deactivate wait command. Now you can't see the name, means your virtual environment is deactivated. Now again I will create another virtual environment here and I will install another version of Django there. Python -m when demo to env. Now it has created this other folder. Now it has created this other folder with this demo to env, and it is having same folder structure like include library scripts. Now okay, now I want to activate this. How to activate this? You have to go in this demo folder, demo to, now scripts, activate. Now it has activated this demo to env. Now I will come out of this folder. Now I will install here pip install Django 3.2.1. I am giving 3.2.1 I am giving. So now it will install Django 3.2.1 in this virtual environment. If I check my earlier virtual environment, then there is Django 4.1 is there. So and if I check, it is installing, still it is installing. So it is installing 3.2.1 version. So in this way we can create different virtual environments and we can install different versions of softwares in that way. Now if I create another file here, env demo2.py. Now if I give the same code here and trying to check the what is the version of Django, and if I run this code, sorry, I have created that file in that virtual environment. Oh no. I should delete here. Now I have deleted this file. I should create out of the virtual environment. So now demo2.py, and in this file I will copy paste the same code, and if I try to run this Python demo2, now in this virtual environment I am getting Django version 3.2.1. okay, in this way you can create virtual environments and install different versions of package. So and one thing I got here error that because I created that file in this virtual environment, so when you are using this virtual environment, don't do anything in these folders. You have to come out of that folder and then do the installation or whatever files you want to create and run. Don't do anything in these folders. So if I check my virtual global environment, what is Django version there, I will check that Python. If I check here import Django, if I give import Django, let me check print Django Django version. Now it is 2.2, means in same computer I have installed 3 versions. Means in global environment I have 2.2 version. In demo environment I have 4.1 version, and in demo 2 environment I have 3.2.1 version. In this way you can create virtual environment and install different versions of packages those are needed for projects. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.